First of all, thanks for being here in my YouTube channel. So now let me move on to the last basic level arrangement number 25. So 8 person P to Z are sitting in a straight line and all of them were facing north. So totally there are 8 person. So all the person are sitting in a straight line and all of them were facing north. So we can again go with two possible diagram 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So similarly another possible diagram 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So let me assume this as possible diagram 1 and possible diagram 2. So all the persons are facing north. Understood? So first point, Q sits at one of the extreme end of the line. So the person Q is sitting at an extreme end. So either Q should be fixed at the left extreme end or else we can fix Q at the right extreme end. So what we can do is I can fix Q here in this possible diagram. In this possible diagram I can fix Q here. So according to both the possible diagram we can say the person Q is sitting at an extreme end of the line. Only one person is sitting between Q and Z. So between Q and Z there should be gap of one person. So definitely in this possible diagram I should fix Z here. So between Q and Z there should be gap of one person. So similarly I should fix Z here. So between Q and Z there is a gap of one person. More than 3 persons sit between Z and W. So more than 3. So more than 3 means it should be definitely 4 or 5, right? So between Q, what they are saying? More than 3 person is sitting between Z and Y. So it should be definitely more than 3. So 1, 2 and 3. So this should not be Y. This should be definitely Y. Understood? Because between Z and Y there should be gap of more than 3. More than 3 it can be 4 or 5. So 1, 2, 3. So it can be either 4, 5 will be ruled out of the arrangement. So we can say this should be the gap of between Z and Y. So similarly more than 3. So 1, 2, 3 it should be more. So definitely we can say Z and Y here there is a gap of 4. Similarly in this possible diagram 1 between Z and Y there is a gap of 4 person is sitting. So next R sits third to left of S. So S left hand side at a third place where R is sitting. Okay, let me take it as a note. So S left hand side at a third place where the person R is sitting. So S is neither an immediate neighbor of Q nor Y. So the person S is not an immediate neighbor of Q. So we can't able to fix S here and also Y. So we can't able to fix S here. So similarly Q nor Y. We can't able to fix S and also S here. But S left hand side at a third place is R. So if I fix S here 1, 2, 3 we can't. If I fix S here 1, 2 and 3. So this should be R in possible diagram 1. If I fix S here 1, 2 and 3 this should be R. If I fix S here 1, 2 and 3. No, it is not possible. Only chance that I should fix S here 1, 2 and 3. So this should be R. Okay. Number of persons sitting to the left of R. Okay. So number of persons sitting to the left of R is equal to number of person who is sitting to right of X. So what they are saying is the person who are all sitting to the left of R. If there are 2 persons sitting to the left of R, then X right hand side should also be 2 person, right? So in this possible diagram where R left hand side only 1 person is sitting. So now what, according to that point, we need to fix X right hand side only 1 person should be seated. So we can say we should fix X here. Understood? So R left hand side 1 person, then X right hand side will be 1 person, right? So similarly here R left hand side is 1 person. So now we need to fix X where X right hand side should also be 1 person. Okay. So last point is P is not an immediate neighbor of S. So P is not an immediate neighbor of S. According to this possible diagram we have only 2 places here. I should fix either P here or else P here. But if I fix P here according to the last point where P is not an immediate neighbor of S. So there is no place for P. So definitely this complete arrangement is wrong. If we move on to this arrangement, P is not an immediate neighbor of S. So I should definitely fix P here. So what is the remaining letter that we have is P, Q, R, S, W. Okay, so W is remaining. I should fix W here. That's it. So finally this will be the answer for arrangement number 25. So friends, totally in the set of this basic level arrangement, we have posted 25 easy level arrangements, right? It is enough, right? For the beginners, this 25 arrangement is enough. So the thing that you have learned in all the 25 arrangement is, even the question is easy, you should go with a minimum of 2 possible diagram, only then you can able to solve the question within 1 or 2 minutes. So thank you so much for watching all the 25 lesson. So don't forget to watch the medium level arrangement, 50 arrangements, and then try to watch odd level arrangement, so that you can easily crack whatever arrangement that they are going to ask in the exams. So thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to share all the videos to your friends if your friends are preparing for competitive exams. So thank you so much. Bye.